probably got extra pull pins over here for that.
Yeah. Actually, can I pop that open and see what the wiring is?
It's flathead.
Alright. It's broken.
Okay, you guys want to put the Saturn copy or this weird thing up?
I don't want to put that weird thing on.
Hold up. Okay. Do you guys want to do the Saturn copy or this thing?
Saturn copy.
Please, bro. I want to see that thing up.
What the hell?
What'd you hit?
That was a chair.
It sounded like a lot worse than a chair.
That sounded like glass.
Chair, bees in the refrigerator. That's what that
Yeah,
was.
that's my fridge. Yeah. Fuck that chair. Good.
Quiet breeze. Quiet.
I love how quiet that is. When you got it, just by the condition, and did not expect it to be quiet.
I might put that in my bedroom. I really like the sound of it.
It's so quiet is the thing. It's nice. I would say, honest opinion, that was a really good buy. Johnny, you can get your cookies. No? You can get your cookies.
Yeah. I just want to see how this is, okay. I need to see the capacitor.
Oh, I messed with the capacitor.
Yeah. Oh, you did?
Yes.
Oh.
I wired 2 in series in here.
Okay.
One of them went to.
I may just need to get a new capacitor.
Nick capacitor? Did you just
these-
say a Nick
the
capacitor?
What?
The 2 capacitors go to the red and blue wire.